Okay guys, hello. I'm going to show you the MG's hazard light and indicator sound effects. I'm not going to do it from the indicators, it's because the car's not on, so I'm going to do it from the hazards today. So and while that sound effect is doing its thing, sit you guys, have you guys sit like that. So to get moving, if you parked reversely, you're going to press the clutch down and come to your gear stick and go reverse, and the car will go beep, and then you lift your clutch but keep it on the car's buy point while you're reversing. Then when you're done, have your foot on the brake and then you just go, then you come out and then come into neutral and go to 1, and then you set off with your foot still on the buy point, and then you come into gear 2, and then you carry on going. Then you press the clutch down and go to gear 3, and then when you're in gear 3, then you'll make the engine rev up a bit, then clutch down and gear 4, and then when you come back to your pedals, you just let it rev up a bit, and then you just press down the clutch and go to your 5th gear. And if you have 6th gears, you press the clutch down and go to 6th. But in this car it's reverse, so then go back to gears, you obviously press the clutch and the brake, and then you go 4th, 3rd, 2nd, 1st, and neutral. And I'm going to keep the sound effect still going, and when you're at your destination or reversing out your driveway, always release the parking brakes, you won't go anywhere. And I've got something to show you guys. One sec. Guys, I'm back. I just sold my brother stopped fighting. And that's the sound effect. And that's how the gears work. Hope you enjoyed. And hope to see you soon. Bye!